What's up, Steve? Make sure to send payment. Make sure to send payment, Steve. We're full. If you can, that'd be great. Then I won't have to worry about it. All right, we got our three box mixer. Hopefully everybody's good to go. Got my sleeves. Comment you're in here. Comment you're in here, and then we can get started. Thick ones. Alright, here we go. We're going to start with the tops. Everybody knows their teams. Alright, here we go. We're going to start with the Tops Holiday. Look for one. Oops. Empty box. And our snowflake ornament is a Jose Abreu for the White Sox. We'll stick that to the side. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everyone. If Steve's watching, I'm going to stack them up. Hopefully get something good. What's up, Steve? How you doing? Comment if you're watching so I can say hi to you. Hope you're having a good evening. All right, Bill's here. All right, how you doing, Bill? All right. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright. We have Max Scherzer, Gary Sanchez, Starling Marte, Ian Happ, Cubs, Shohei Ohtani Metallic. There you go, Angels. There you go, Angels. Nice little Shohei Metallic. Nice little start there. Not numbered. Variation. Alec Thomas, rookie. Bobby Witt, rookie. There you go. Royals. There you go, Royals. Royal. There you go. Good start, good start. Stanton. Jake Walsh, rookie. Jaron Duran, rookie for the Red Sox. Brian LaFastida, rookie for the Indians. Donaldson. Brendan Donovan, Cardinals rookie. Albert Pujols. Chase Silseth, rookie. Gosei Kafaf, Mets. Chris Bryant. Joe Perez, rookie. Salvador Perez. MJ Melendez, rookie. Josh Winder. Jazz Chisholm Jr. Jose Miranda, rookie. And Juan Soto. Let me sleeve up all these rookies for us. Not sure who's watching, but Steve, I'd like your payment tonight, please. And last rookie of that. All right. Joe Musgrove. Snowflake Metallic for the Padres. Cody Bellinger. Tyler O'Neill. Jose Altuve. Connor Plinkington, rookie. Tatis, Darvish, Arias, Josh Lowe, rookie. Adam Wainwright, Votto, Walker, Luis Hill, Lorenzen, Wisdom, Gilbert, Joey Wentz, rookie. Merrifield, Joe Dunano, rookie. What do we got here? We got a variation with the holiday lights for the Padres. That's a cool one. That's a Padre hit. There you go, Padres. That's an SP. So, there you go, Padres. All right, last little stack. Hyunjin Ryu, Hunter Green, metallic rookie. There you go, Reds. Trey Turner, Matt Olson, Trevor Story, Brandon Nimmo, Colton Welker, rookie for the Giants. LeMahieu, Yankees. Cueto, White Sox. O'Neal Cruz, rookie for the Pirates. There you go, Pirates. Syndergaard, Rizzo. Arias, rookie. Mountcastle, Ramos, rookie. Rendon, Rylan Bannon, Braves. Strasburg, Prislin, rookie. Italian, rookie. Benintendi, McCutcheon for the Brewers, metallic. Seager, Pallant, rookie. Haniger, Simon Muiziotti, rookie. Lindor, Acuna, Torkelson, rookie. Looks like we have our relic card. There's our relic card. Rafael Devers for Boston. There you go, Jason. There you go, Jason. There you go. Fado, rookie. Hoskins. Alheris Montero, rookie. Freeman. Jose Azocar, rookie. Rosarena. J.P. Sears, rookie. Goldschmidt. Jahan Duran. Sean Murphy on the metallic sheets. Hosmer, Veerling, Logan Webb, Verlander, Bueller, Renee Pinto, Bogarts, Ethan Roberts, rookie. Altuve, Brujan, rookie. Tim Anderson, Schwarber, and an Ernie Clement. Okay, that does it for that one. I'm going to sleeve up some things. Alright. Not a bad box. Alright, let's do the optic now. 2 autos, maybe 5 with the hot box. All the packs, empty box. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Diamond Kings, Lewis Robert. Insert. Rookie, Jackson Kowar for the Royals. Rookie. Bomb Squad, Mike Trout. And a Mike Trout. We'll sleeve up that Bomb Squad. Hollow. Refractor. Alright. Oh, we got a red. Nope. Brandon Lowe. Insert. Alex Bregman. Jaron Duran, rookie. Insert. And our red is no rookie. Blake Snell. Blake Snell in the red. That's numbered 3 of 60. Blake Snell for the red. On the red. There you go, Padres. Blake Snell. There you go. 3 of 60. Alright, Diamond Kings, Jordan. Matt Manning, rookie, rated rookie. Hollow refractor of Bryce Harper, the Diamond Kings, and a Henry Davis rated rookie. Rated rookie, Brandon Marsh. Jake Berger, rated rookie. Hollow of Brian Hayes and a Marcelo Mayer, rated prospect. We have an auto here. Nope. Marte. Elder. That's a rated rookie. Betts and a splash. Brian Reynolds. Insert base. Alejo Lopez, rookie. Yelich. C.J. Abrams, rated rookie. And a Boz. Shane Boz, rookies. All these will get sleeved up afterwards just to save time. Alright, what we got? Serpa, rated rookie. Friedel, rated rookie. Splash, Ronald Acuna, insert, and a Brandon Marsh mythical. Angels. Looking for 2 autos. Alright. Juan Soto Diamond Kings. Cal Ripken base. And our numbered card is a Jake Myers, way off center. Look at that. For the Astros. Rated rookie, Pink Velocity. That's number 22 out of 249 for Houston. I think that's Bill. And a Shohei Lights Out insert. Mueller, rookie. Sapucky, rated rookie. Royce Lewis, rated prospect. Hollow, Twins, and a Trevor Story mythical. When are we going to get our first auto? Nothing. Morgan, rookie. Corey Seager, Diamond Kings. Nolan Arenado, hollow. And an Erie Perez. Hollow, rookie, insert. Alright, we got a orange. Lars Nootbaar, rookie. Manny Machado base. Oh, that's nice. Carlos Correa, splash. But look at this, guys. Rated a rookie. Orange. 34 out of 125, Jeremy Pena. That's a nice card. There you go. Bam. That's what you're looking for. Too bad it didn't have ink. That is a nice card, whoever had the Astros. Way off centered, but still a nice card. I don't have my sheet with me, but there you go, Bill. Still looking for our 2 autos. Joe Adone, Carlos Stanton, Bryce Harper, and a Lights Out Shane Bieber. Contreras, rated rookie. Bellinger, Navarez, and Acuna splash. There's our 2 autos, man. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. We'll go through them all. I'm just trying to see if we get our auto. Nothing in there. There's an auto, okay. There's one. Alright. This. Hopefully this has the second one on there. Nope. Alright, here we go. Diamond Kings, Chris Bryant, Jake McCarthy. Lights Out, Justin Verlander, Sipalo, Cedric Mullins, Mythical. Romy Gonzalez, Matt Chapman, and Zach Gallen. Shohei Ohtani, Bomb Squad. Connor Wong. Diamond Kings, Alcantara, Reese Neer, rated rookie. Alexander Canario, rookie. There's a good one. Alright. And a Trevor Story. Oh, Julio, Seattle. Autos coming up. Rated rookie Julio. There you go, Bruce. Our auto is a Chicago White Sox. Orange, Andrew Vaughn. This is the retro. 81. That is 36 out of 75 for the White Sox. Andrew Vaughn going to Brendan, I think. Brendan, I do believe. Nice. Verlander. Bobby Witt, rated rookie. Josh Lowe, rated rookie. Spencer Strider, rated rookie hollow. Royce Lewis, rookie. Velotti, rookie. Devers, Snell, Trout, Yepes, Reynolds, Lowe, and Lowe. A low. And rookies, insert, base. Okay. That was that box. Really hope. Alright, next box. And the last one. We got the capstone. Yeah. Sorry guys. Can't do anything about it. I apologize. I'll get you guys something. I'll make it up to you guys. I don't pack them, I just break them. Alright. Alright, here we go. Benintendi. Riley Adams, rookie. Rafael Devers. Alec Thomas, rookie. Brendan Donovan, gold, foil, not numbered, rookie. Cardinals. Salvador Perez. And Nick Lodolo, rookie, red foil for Reds. And Alec Bregman, Summit insert. Like I said, you can sleeve up everything at the end so you guys don't have to sit and watch me do it all. Anything big worth, I'll sleeve on the spot. Yona Don, rookie. Otto Lopez, rookie. Jesse Winker, Seattle. O'Neal Cruz, rookie, red foil. Oh, there's our auto. First auto. Jordan Romano, 24 out of 60. Or 24 out of 50. Jordan Romano. Jordan Romano. Going to the Blue Jays and Buddy. There you go. Jordan Romano. Logan Gilbert. Alex Verdugo, red foil. And a Nick Lodolo, rookie velo. Marcelo Zuna. Seiza Suzuki, rookie. Mike Baumann, rookie. Jose Siri, rookie. Kyle Tucker, red. Scherzer, Cole, and a new age, Royce Lewis. Okay. Chisholm, Cruz, Diekman, Rogers, Diekman again, red foil, Albies, Newt Barr, and a crest, Bryce Harper. Okay. Lopez, Marsh, rookie. Otani. Bruhan, rookie. What we got here? There's our next hit. Rookie for the Rockies. Rookie for the Rockies, Ryan Velotti, two color and one color patch. Blackman, O'Neill, and a velo, Dylan Cease. Alright. Got 3 hits left. Stephen Kwan, Trey Turner, Fernando Tatis, Juan Yepes, rookie. Bobby Witt, red foil rookie. Kevin Smith, Freddie Freeman, and a new age Tatis. Everything, like I said, will be sleeved. You're just topping in Urias, Ryan, Neer, Gonzalez, or Romy Gonzalez, Jorge Mateo out of 99 for the Orioles, Bradish, Terry, and a deja vu of Roger Clemens and Jacob deGrom. Rizzo, Welker, Hosmer, Velati, Otto, Brujan, Castellanos, Big Bang, okay, alright. Alright, here we go. Bregman, Alajo Lopez, Jeremy Pena rookie, Taylor Rogers. Here's our auto. Crown Royale. Crown Royale with cheese for the Diamondbacks. Seth Beer. Just beer. I'd go for some beer. There you go, Diamondbacks. Gosman, Tellez, and the Summit Kershaw. Three packs left. Right? Peapot, McClanahan, Witt, Gonzalez, Adon, Ray foil, Aaron Nola, Chas McCormick, and a Big Bang, Cody Bellinger. We got a thick one. Lux, Otto, Thomas, Otto Lopez, and their hit. Jackson Kowar dual relic for the Royals. Deja Vu, Tatis, and Tampa Bay, Wander Franco. We'll have to random that one off. Last pack. Castro, rookie. Tucker, Mancini, Rohan, rookie. Winker, red foil. Larnack, Adon, and the New Age, Ozzy Albies. Alright guys, that was the break. I really appreciate it. These should get out by Monday at the latest. These won't go out tomorrow, unfortunately. Got some stuff to do, so these won't go out tomorrow. But anyway, like I said, hopefully y'all have a great weekend, and I'll get to sorting these now. You might have a tracking number by tonight, but they won't go out till Monday. Thanks everybody. Hopefully you have a good night. Take care.